Hello, this is Savage Jim, and this is part 3 of the series of Resurrecting the Dead Stampede. As you can see here, I have completely rebuilt the chassis. I've completely made the front and rear end suspension systems completely 100% functional once again. I did have to purchase brand new shocks for the front because, as you could remember, the front shock from video 2 that I showed you, or video 1 I believe it is, it was actually shot away right here at the casing. So buying a shock kit and installing this, buying new arms of course, and same for the rear. I had to also purchase a new bulkhead because one of these hinge pin attachments was shot away. As you can see over here to the right, I have completely removed the electronics from the Stampede. This is a stock ESC. I showed this earlier with the shot away wiring, and same thing with the servo. There's a shot of the severed line right here again. The motor, of course, is 100% intact, which I could probably reuse. It is a brushed 12-turn Titan motor made specifically for Traxxas. What I've decided to do instead is go with a Castle Creations motor. That's it right there. And in lieu of the Traxxas ESC, I'm also going to use a Sidewinder from Castle. I just have to figure out a way to install it. And I will also have to I'm going to solder a Dean's style plug to the end of the CSC to connect to a LiPo battery. LiPo cell that I'm going to be using, or battery pack I should say, is a 3 cell 5000 milliamp hour, capable of 20C discharge I believe, and it uses a Dean's connection. So go very nicely right here into the tray. The servo I've replaced. Well, you can't see it here because the steering block is already on top of it. There's the linkage arm. It is a high-tech digital servo. I believe it is a 5485 HB. It's a 4-digit, begins with a 5, so therefore it is a digital. I'm using the receiver which I've am replacing. This is the stock Traxxas receiver. It's a TQ receiver. I'm replacing with the Futaba 603FF. Well, that's the stage I am at the moment right now to get it back on the road again. I will not be using the TQ controller. I will be using a Futaba 3PK, which I have a 2.4 gigahertz module on it. But for the moment, this will end this video. I will make video number 4, in which I will have the Stampede in running order.